Solving real-world business problems with an extensible blockchain technology. Commercio.network eSignature API. Welcome to Commercio.network. Blockchain technology has been a buzzword for a while now, but many people still associate it with cryptocurrencies. However, blockchain technology has many other use cases beyond cryptocurrency. Commercio.network is a blockchain that offers extensible blockchain technology for real-world solutions. This tutorial will explore how businesses and individuals can use Commercio.network to create real-world solutions and drive innovation. Commercio.network is an open-source blockchain network designed with the aim of bringing blockchain technology to the real world. It provides a set of tools and APIs that enable businesses and developers to create blockchain-based solutions that can be integrated into existing business processes seamlessly. The network uses the Tendermint consensus algorithm, which ensures that transactions are processed quickly and securely. Commercio.network can be used in many ways to create real-world solutions. Some of the most common use cases include supply chain management. One of the most significant benefits of Commercio.network is its ability to improve supply chain management. The network's blockchain technology can be used to create a transparent and secure supply chain that allows businesses to track products from production to delivery. This can help to eliminate fraud, reduce costs, and improve efficiency. Digital identity. Commercio.network can also be used to create a secure digital identity for individuals. The network's blockchain technology can be used to create an immutable record of an individual's identity, which can be used for various purposes, such as online banking and voting. Tokenization. Commercio.network can be used to tokenize assets such as real estate, stocks, and bonds. Tokenization enables fractional ownership of assets, which can make investing more accessible to a broader range of people. Payment solutions. Commercio.network can be used to create secure and fast payment solutions. The network's blockchain technology ensures that transactions are processed quickly and securely, making it an ideal solution for businesses that require fast and secure payments. Digital signatures. Commercio.network can be used to create secure digital signatures that can be used for contracts and other legal documents. The network's blockchain technology ensures that the signatures are tamper-proof, making them more secure than traditional signatures.